Hello, great learners. You're welcome once again to Math Theater TV. In our lecture today, we're seeing how to resolve simultaneous equation using what? Matrix. All right. Now the question before us now. Now resolving this now quickly. What do? We bring out the entries now in what? In matrix format. So here we have 2 minus 3. Here's 1 and here's 3. Then the variables there are x and y, and we have this as 1 and 2. All right. Now, we are meant to understand that what from matrix, that sy is the same thing as what? The product of the inverse of this times this, which is what? 2 minus 3, 1, 3. Okay? Then, the inverse, then 1, 2. All right? That this is equal to what? The product of the inverse of this times this. All right, now let's resolve the inverse first of all. The inverse of what? 2, 1, minus 3, 3. The inverse of this will be what? Will be 1, or ratio what? Is determinant. And determinant is what? The difference between the product of this and this. So 2 times 3 is 6. Then 1 times minus 3 is minus 3. So 6 minus 3 will give us 6 plus 3. And which is what? Which is 9. All right? Then here becomes what? Based on the rule for inverse, these two will switch place. So we have 3 here and 2 here. While these two, the negative sign we ascribe to them. So here becomes minus 1. So the minus sign we affect this to become positive. Okay? So this is what we have as what? As the inverse. So again, let's come down now. So we have sy equals what now? The inverse here gives us what? 1:9. We have 3 minus 1 and 3, 2. Then we have, don't forget, we still have values here, which is 1 and 2. All right? Okay? So from here now, we're going to find the product of what? The product of these two. So let's go back to this part of the board. But before we proceed, if you're getting any value from today's lecture, why not do well to hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, turn the bell notification on so you get instant notification when we post interesting topic as when you're listening to. And also, you can help us share this channel to your friends, your classmates, so they too can also benefit from what we're doing in Math Theater TV. So let's proceed. Now, in looking for the product of this now, we have our x and y again, and 1:9 here, okay? Now, how do we resolve multiplication in matrix? These entries here, we multiply this here, all right? So we're going to have what here now? So we're going to have, we're in order, I think so. We are in order, okay? We're in order, all right? Okay, so 3 times 1, that'll be 3, plus 3 times 2, here with 6, okay? Three times 1, that's 3. 3 times 2, that's 6. All right? Okay, then we use the next one, which is what? Minus 1 times this. That's negative 1. Then 2 times 2, that's positive 4. All right? So this gives us xy is equals to 1:9. Then here we have what? 9. Minus 1 plus 4, that will give us 3. Okay? So the value of our x now is what? The value of our x is 9 times this, which is 9:9. And the value of our y is 3 times this, which is 3:9. So here is 1. 3 here, 1, here is 3. So our x is 1, and our y is what? 1:3. So we succeeded in what? In solving that very simultaneous equation using matrix format. So that will be the size of our lecture today. So if you have benefited from what we've done today, why not do well, please, to hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, turn the bell notification on so you get instant notification when we post interesting topic as the one you just listened to. And also, you can help us share this channel to your friends, your classmates, so they too can also benefit from what we're doing in Math Theater TV. So until I see you in our next lecture, don't forget, this is Mr. Innocent. Your success is my delight. Peace.